Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Flavia Kyeyago Ouma, coming from Uganda. I work with Uganda Bureau of Statistics. I am co-authoring this paper with a team from Namibia University, and I'm the one honored to present it. I welcome you all to the conference, the IST-Africa conference. I am honored to be here for the fourth time to present a paper. This paper falls under the following core thematic area: next generation computing, which includes future internet, cloud computing, cybersecurity, privacy, and trust. The paper is titled Design and Implementation of an IPSec Virtual Private Network, a case study at the University of Namibia. What then motivates us to go into such a research? Many universities are procuring or acquiring third-party services in order to get secure services for the wireless network. We wanted to try it out using local materials at the University of Namibia so that we could get a secure remote access for the wireless network at the University of Namibia at a reduced cost. The main objective of this research or this paper was to design and implement a secure, reliable, and affordable IPSec point-to-point VPN1 at the University of Namibia. And the kind of research approach we followed or we used was a qualitative case study methodology with an experimental design, because since we were using local materials, we wanted to experiment how best this can be done. And we zeroed in to Namibia University as the case study. The major outcome of this paper or of this research included results of a simulation of the broadband IPSec VPN, virtual private network, connection that is not controlled by any third party. And this indicated that it is less expensive to design such a network. It is more secure because it doesn't have any connection to the third party, or third connectivity. Then the other outcome was that there is high level of latency and jitter in having this this local network done locally. For testing and evaluation, we were able to use ping tool for the success of the connectivity, to measure success of the connectivity, Wireshark to capture the traffic, and along the way we use different protocols. We use the IPSec protocol, and the IPSec, for those who know, makes use of the key exchange, IKA, and the management protocol for key management. So these ones were used because they ensure data integrity, data confidentiality, and authentication of data traffic. So to test and evaluate, we use those two tools, the ping tool and the Wireshark, and we were able to test on the tunnel authentication. We tested the tunnel encryption, and we also tested the virtual private network. In the image, we could see the architect that was used to create a test bed for the IPSec VPN struct setup, and within that we have different items that were selected. Of course, we have the public key infrastructure. At the end, we have a cloud environment. We had different aspects. In conclusion, as an IPSec virtual private network has been successfully implemented and set up and implemented at the University of Namibia, it was evident that IPSec point-to-point VPN provides a secure means of transporting traffic from the remote site to the university at the Namibia data center. It was also learned that the IPSec VPN is more secure than the MPLS service, which is controlled by the third-party ISP. we are still improving on this project, and in the future we are considering looking into the overhead of IPSec operations, and it could impact on network and how it could impact on the network performance. I thank you for listening to me, and I look forward to all the questions. My email will be shared for any other questions that cannot be answered here, and we hope to interact more and more with the people who will be asking questions because of this COVID session, COVID conference COVID interruptions. We may not be able to get all the questions answered here. I wish you all a good day.